What's up, my friends? DK here. Welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how simple, easy, and effective it is to share your myEcon business. Once you get started, these are some of the first things that you could start doing to promote your business, net sales, and you could be doing this for free, meaning advertising for free without having to pay for things like, Craigslist ads or solo ads or driving any sort of paid advertising, Facebook or Bing ads or YouTube ads or any of those sort of things. We teach our team members for free how to market their business, and we have several different methods to do this. And this isn't to say that paid advertising is bad. We actually have a lot of people that use things like Craigslist ads and solo ads, and they net sales. But one of our ways and one of our best methods is organic marketing, and it's going to be exactly what I show you in this video. So not only am I going to give you the post that you could use right now, whether you're already inside of myEcon or you're looking to get into myEcon, whether it be to make money or take advantage of the products and services like the travel, the credit repair, the debt elimination, any of those things. I want to show you plain and simple how you can go do exactly what we're doing right now and utilizing the tools that we have. So this is a one-two part process here. So yes, I'm actually going to give you the content. I'm going to give you the post that we share with our team members inside of our Facebook group. Every single week, we go live 5 times per week, Monday through Friday, training you, educating you, motivating you, pushing you, giving you posts. We even have a day of the week where we call a post of the day where I go do that live with you. And I'm basically going to demo that for you right now so you can understand what it's like to be on the inside part of our Facebook group and doing the actual work, the IPAs, the income producing activities, and doing that work with us. So as I take you through this, if you're already in myEcon, you can literally go do this as we're doing it live here. So first off, let me show you inside of the Facebook group, and then I want to show you the tools that we're going to be using, the resources that you have at your disposal as a member of our exclusive myEcon team. And of course, if you want more information on that, link in the description down below, you can see how if you become part of our specific team, which by the way is the fastest and largest growing team inside of myEcon, we're going to give you over $10,000 in free value just for starting. So first off, let's take you over to the Facebook group, and I want to show you an example of some of the things that we do on a consistent basis. So you can see inside of our Facebook group here, look over on the left-hand side, we have over 5,000 members in our group, and I go live literally 5 times per week. That was my live from today. We have our tools and resources, things like this, where we're posting, hey, we just updated our training site. We just updated our app, give you guys the information in there. And then we always do, every single week, we do a post of the day. So you can see it right here. I'll talk about specifically what the post is. I'll put the meme up so you guys can see it and know that, hey, this is the post of the day. This is where I go take action. And then in the description, I'll put the post right here. And then during the live training for that day, I will walk you through exactly what we do and how you could be doing it too. And this is how our members are taking action and getting results. As a matter of fact, earlier on today's live, we saw some people that were making sales that never made sales before. We had this girl, Audrey, who literally just started 2 days ago. And then today, this morning, made her very first sale. So, I mean, she wasn't even in myEcon or on our team for a full 48 hours, not even that long, plugged in, applied what she learned, and then made her first sale in a short amount of time. And this is what I'm talking about here. This is the duplication that our team offers. So doing things like this, training you guys 5 times a week, having a team training site, having an app, having all of your funnels done for you, literally everything that you need right at your fingertips so you can start promoting. If you're watching this video, you could literally turn around and start promoting your myEcon business probably in about 60 minutes from right now. You just need to get yourself paid, get on the inside, activate your training account, meaning you just create your username and password. You get in, you follow a few videos, you set your affiliate links up, and then you start sharing. And it's as simple as that. So we have our team members up and running very, very quickly. So what I'd like to do now is I'd like to show you the actual post that we're going to do. I'm going to pull that up for you so you can see it. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to demo that for you now while we're watching this video. I'm going to go post this to my own timeline and then show you as people are responding to my post exactly what I'm going to give them as far as a tool and a resource to close that sale. So what you see on your screen right here is exactly the type of post of day that we will do. And I'm going to walk you through on video here and show you this is exactly what I would do on the live training in the Facebook group. This is exactly what I'm going to do for you here live. And I'm going to go post this exact same post. And there's a specific method to this. And I want to walk you through in this video exactly how I'm going to do this. So I'm going to pull up this thread that you see on your screen right now. I'm going to pull this up on my phone and I'm going to walk you through this as if we were live in our Facebook group. And again, this is the type of training that you could be getting, 5 days a week if you are on our team inside of our group. These are the things that we do for our team members, showing them straight up how to go share their business. And that's where most people get confused. And most people, when they join online businesses, they don't get this level of direction. They don't get the how-to steps. All they get is sold on a business, sold on an opportunity, sold on the income potential. But when you really take the time and you show people how to do what they need to do, and specifically where to go get it, where the links are, how to set everything up step by step, click by click, all of those things, then it makes it a lot easier for the average person to go get results. So I'm going to unshare my screen with you here in a minute and then walk you through exactly what you see on your screen right here. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I have this here on my phone. It's the same thread that I just showed you. This is just kind of the mobile version right here. And it's a little tough to see from the glare on the window, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to start copying this information, but I'm also going to do this in a very specific way that I want you to know and understand. And even all this information right here, if you want, I'm going to leave this for you in the comments down below. So if you want to go do it yourself, if you're in myEcon or you're looking to get in myEcon, you can see exactly what I'm talking about. And I'm going to leave a link in the description down below. Not a link. I'm going to leave all this information right here that's in this thread. I'm going to leave that in the description. But specifically, what I want you to understand is how I do this. There's a very specific method to how I'm just going to take this information here. I'm not just going to go post it willy-nilly. I'm not just going to copy the whole thing. I'm actually going to do it in segments, and I'm going to walk you through what that looks like. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to copy the first top part of this post right here. So, okay, so the section that you see highlighted right there, okay, I'm going to copy that. And if you can see it in the description down below, I know it's a little blurry here, but you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. So I'm going to go over to my Facebook timeline here, and I'm going to post that right here. Okay. All I'm looking for is I want the black background. I want the dark background. You could choose whatever color you want. If you want to use like a blue background, if you want to use a red background, whatever you want to use, you can do the same thing right there. But I only grab the very top part of the post because I want the meme style of background here. I don't want to post too much information where this turns white. You want to keep a background on here. And it's as simple as that. And also what you want to be doing on this post is you want people reading and responding and commenting in your Facebook post. Okay. That's important here. You want engagement on your post. That's the whole point of doing this post right here. So that's exactly what I did. Now, the other thing that you also need to be doing too is right now, Facebook is going to automatically set the post to friends. You want to make this public. So you're going to hit that drop down and then you're going to select, you're going to make it public. Okay. And then you're going to hit done. So your post is going to be public versus going to just your friends. That's important right there. Okay. Now, that's step number one. Now we're going to post this, and then I'm going to start putting things in the comments. So all the things that you saw in the thread here, inside of this thread, there's step one, there's step two, there's step three, and you can see all the different steps right there. Now I'm going to go post this in the comments, and this is going to create engagement. But there's also a very specific way that I'm going to post this stuff in the comments. I'm actually going to flip the script around a little bit. So keep paying attention here. Okay. So we're going to go back over to Facebook. This is ready to post. It's set to public. I'm going to hit next, and then I'm going to hit post just like that. Okay. Boom. Okay. And just so you guys know, in case you can't see that, it says how to correctly pay your credit cards and boost your credit score thread. I just read that in reverse. I was pretty impressed with myself, just so you know. Okay. So now what we're going to do is we're going to like the post. We're going to give it some engagement. And in the post, we're also going to add the highlight. So I'm going to hit at highlight. Okay. At highlight. You can see that there in the comments. That's going to help more of your followers, more of the people, your friends, your followers, whoever. That's going to help more of them see this post. Okay. So That's the first couple steps right there. We made it public. We put highlight in the comments. We like the posts, and we just did that very basic post. Now I'm going to come back over to here. So now there are, let's see, there are 4 tips, 5 tips. There are 5 tips inside of this thread. I'm going to post them in the comments in reverse order. So I'm going to literally post number 5 first. So I'm going to grab step number 5. And what this is going to do, the way that Facebook works, is when someone goes to read it on their end, it's going to put 5 down at the bottom, and it's going to put your latest post at the top. Okay. So I hope that makes sense. So, and when someone goes to look at it on their end, it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When I post it, I'm posting it 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. So I want you to understand that. So I got that. I copied that. I'm going to come over to the post. I'm going to go into the comments of the post that I just did, and I'm going to paste number 5. Okay. So boom. You can see it right there in the comments. That's number 5. I know it's a little blurry, tough to see, but you get what I'm talking about here. Now I'm going to go back. I'm going to grab number 4, and I'm going to rinse and repeat all the way back to number 1. Okay. So I might pause this video. I might skip all this while I'm just go ahead and doing this. So now I have number 4 copied. I'm going to come back over here. I'm going to paste number 4, and so on and so forth. Okay, so now we have all of them in there, 1 through 4. And as you can see, when you scroll from here, you can see number 1. And I'll try to get this a little closer to you so you can see it there. Hopefully that will come through on your end if you just give that a second. Either way, but it's listed number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, even number 5. Sorry, there's 5 things there. So all in order. So that is how, your leads, that's how people viewing your post are going to see it, 1 through 5. Okay. If I were to post them in order, this would be reversed. They'd be going 5 through 1. You want them to read them in order. So that's why you need to post them in reversed, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So I hope that makes sense. Now there's one last piece of information that I'm going to put in there. Right down at the very bottom of this thread, it says, who needs credit repair? So we're really promoting the products and the services here versus just the business opportunity. But the credit repair, myEcon credit repair, is by far the number 1 service and product offered inside of myEcon. So if we're going to promote the products, I would 100% lead with this right here. So you have in here, and again, link in the description or info in the description down below. Okay, we're going to grab this, and then I'm going to post that in the comments as well. This is now really the call to action. Hey, who needs credit repair? And the call to action in there is to hit me up, send me a direct message, or whatever it is. Okay, so I'm going to post that in there. And then this is the last thing that I'm going to add to this thread here. Okay, so I'm going to paste that, and I'm going to post that. Now I have all the information in there. So someone watches this, how to correctly, okay, increase your, credit score, how to boost your credit cards, all of that sort of stuff, all the information. This is a great, great, great informational post. It's going to create a lot of engagement, and it's going to educate people. That's the most important thing. You're leading with value. You're leading with education. You're giving, there's some really, really useful advice in here that people can use and take and have. And you're going to be, or could be, that go-to source for this information. And this is the type of stuff that we teach inside of our Facebook group. This is the type of stuff that we have in our training. This is the stuff that you could literally be grabbing and using today to promote your myEcon business. Now, the question is, and then we're going to wrap up with this here. When somebody responds to this post, someone comments and says info, or how do I repair my credit, or whatever it is, or someone reaches out to you and they DM you and say, hey, I want more information. What do you do then? What links do you give them? What do you share with them? What does that process look like? Now let me go back to sharing my screen, and I'll show you the tool and resource that we as our team have that nobody else inside of myEcon has. And this is how our team is closing more sales than any other team. So again, this is exclusive to our specific team. This was a credit repair page where you can actually sell the credit repair at retail, okay, versus trying to pitch the business and then bringing somebody into credit repair or to travel or whatever it is. This is a page that was designed exclusively for our team. And this is a very professional looking page. And this is already closed sales for our team. So when someone reaches out and they respond to my post and says, hey, how do I fix my credit? I want more information on fixing my credit, or, what can you share with me? What link are you going to be using right there? You're going to be using this page right here. And this is available in our team's team training site. And this link is also available in our exclusive app that we have for our team. And you can get this. So you can see, obviously, there's a lot of great information here. There's a video right here that talks about the credit repair, talks about what's involved, how they get started, all of those things. More information on the page here, how it works. In a nutshell, my friends, also talk about the price point too. And I want you guys to realize this too, when it comes to credit repair, and you can go look this up all on your own. You can go to Google, you can go search credit repair, and you're going to see that all of these credit repair agencies, they charge a monthly fee. Credit repair is not a one-time thing. You don't just pay somebody $100 and it's done. No, you're going to be paying them monthly, okay? And that's all of these, everything that you see here. A lot of people don't realize and understand that credit repair is a monthly business. It's a monthly membership. So when people can get started in myEcon and they can repair their own credit, they can do it for a fraction of the price that's going to cost them to pay one of these other credit repair agencies to do it. So there's a huge, huge price difference there. And we obviously talk about that here on the sales page and in the video. And of course, it goes over all of the finite details. But this is a great sales page that, again, is exclusive just for our team. So when someone does reply to your posts, when someone does look for more information, this is exactly what you're going to be giving them. And this is coded back to you, so you get credit for the sale when they get started. So there you have it, my friends. That's just some of what we offer on our team. I gave you the post. We have the info for you when they're looking for information. And if you want to get on our team, link in the description down below. If you're looking to get started with myEcon, link in the description down below. If you have any questions for me at all, I left my phone number right here at the top of this video. That is also in the description down below. You can grab that. Send me a text message. Ask me anything. But trust me, my friends, it's much better to be here on the inside than it is standing there on the outside, looking in, wondering, doubting, debating, pondering. Will it work? The answer, my friend, is yes, as long as you get in there and you take action and you follow our training and you stay consistent every single day. It's not a matter of if this will work for you, it's just when. And we have literally hundreds and hundreds of new members joining every single week. And you could be one of them. We could be working with you every single day live in our Facebook group, helping you, answering your questions, giving you all the tools, the know-how, the knowledge, everything you need to start promoting your business in about an hour from right now. Could be at your fingertips and you could be rolling. Who knows? You could be making your first sale today if you get started, my friend. So that is it. Appreciate you. Thank you for watching. Again, any questions, drop a comment down below or shoot me a text message. Otherwise, my friend, I will see you on the next video. Take care.